of concepts is this: if somebody's punching in or swinging something in, that's your stab. So you just got this quick little right into the arms. Let them punch into the business end of the blade.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
And this is really good to work for your tactical pen, your tactical flashlight, because it's the same little backhanded shot, but the knife makes you, you kind of can really feel how to express this. The biggest thing is the body. So I want to start like this and make sure, again, pushing from the rear foot and fire that hip forward. So again, most people think that this shot is this. It's far less tricep and far more like almost like throwing your shoulder into it with a tiny bit of tricep. So you push from the ground and it just hits in. So again, almost like this, like you're shoving with your body. And just get that really powerful stab back in.